factory Ducatis, clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get nowhere that the air is rolled through. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't. A shocker for Andrea Vizioso. Now the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Battered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Suzuki out, head around. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. At the sharp end of this one then as they now head around and shoot the air is 2050. Is that the Vizioso as well? There's five of them on the factory Ducatis, clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get he's okay because he looks hurt. Nowhere that the air is rolled through. Straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales there following Morbidelli. Yamaha, he's on the straight. Ducatis, clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get so now I hope he's okay because he looks hurt. Nowhere that the air is rolled through. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't. Now has Stanley. Incident this morning with Polispargo. He was 10th on the grid. He starts now from the back of the grid. The moment of truth is getting closer. Will we have a new is that the Vizioso as well? There's unbelievable! For the factory Ducatis. Didn't believe it.